Hello everyone. In today's marketplace, packaging plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety and integrity of the products. But do you know, all packaging are not equal? Let's meet Raj, an experienced packaging expert, who will explain the importance of using authorized packaging.
Hi, I'm Raj. As a packaging expert, I'm here to ensure that products are packed safely and securely for distribution. In this video, I'll be educating our sellers on the use of authorized packaging materials. This is local packaging, and this is authorized packaging.
What is the difference between local packaging and authorized packaging?
Authorized packaging materials are the materials that meet strict quality standards and have been approved by the regulatory authorities. They are designed to protect the product from damage, contamination, and tampering during the transit. Local packaging refers to the packaging which may not meet the same rigorous standards as the authorized packaging. While they may be cheaper or more readily available, they often lack the necessary measures to protect the product. For better understanding, let's evaluate the security bags by testing some critical parameters with the help of a video.
That's awesome. But why is the thickness test important, and how can our sellers check this parameter at their end?
It is important due to several reasons like quality assurance. This is done to ensure that the plastic bags meet Flipkart standards and specifications for thickness, ensuring they are durable enough to hold items without tearing or breaking easily. Compliance. According to the CPCB, Central Pollution Control Board, regulations regarding the thickness of e-commerce security bags should be more than 50 microns. Testing ensures compliance with these regulations, which are in place to reduce environmental impact and enhance consumer safety. I hope this is clear. Let's now understand the seal strength with the help of a video. Seal strength is one of the critical parameters of the security bags due to reasons like prevention of tampering. A strong and properly sealed side prevents unauthorized access to the contents of the bag. If the side sealing is compromised or weak, it becomes easier for someone to tamper with the contents without leaving obvious signs of intrusion. Durability and reliability. Secure side sealing enhances the overall durability and reliability of the plastic bag. It helps to prevent accidental tearing or splitting of the sides, which could lead to loss or damage of the contents. Loss prevention. In addition to security concerns, properly sealed side seams to help in preventing loss of contents due to accidental damage during handling and transportation. Now let's understand the adhesive strip of the Flipkart security bags with the help of a video. Adhesive strip width test is important in plastic security bags because it ensures the effectiveness of the sealing mechanism. A properly functioning adhesive strip with the correct width ensures that the bag remains securely closed, preventing unauthorized access or tampering. By testing the width of the adhesive strip, sellers can verify that it meets the required standards for security and integrity. If the adhesive strip is too narrow, it may not provide adequate closure, potentially compromising the security of the contents within the bag. Conversely, if it's too wide, it might cause inconvenience during opening or increase the risk of tampering. Now let's understand testing the dimensions of the Flipkart security bags with the help of a video. Checking of the dimensions are important for a couple of reasons. Security assurance. Ensuring that the dimensions of the plastic security bags meet specified standards helps maintain the integrity and security of the contents. Properly sized bags reduces the risk of tampering or unauthorized access by providing a snug fit for the items being secured. Functionality. Correct dimensions ensures that the security bags can accommodate the intended contents without any strain or overstretching. If the bags are too small, they may not adequately contain the items, leading to potential damage or loss during handling and transport. Conversely, if the bags are too big, it may not provide adequate protection against tampering or unauthorized access.
Wow, interesting. Thank you so much for telling the difference between local and authorized Flipkart packing and how to evaluate them.
Local packaging can lead to a lots of issues for the host, including product damage, tampering, and even regulatory violations. It's simply not worth the risk. That's why it's crucial for companies to invest in authorized packaging and for technicians like me to ensure that these standards are met. By doing so, we can guarantee the safety and integrity of the products we pack.
So, the next time you're considering packaging materials, remember the importance of using authorized packaging, because when it comes to protecting your products and your reputation, quality matters.